Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Hi Miss Annie. So today I'm gonna present or tell you guys about one legal profession in Indonesia that is advocate. Before this, let me introduce myself first. My name is Aldo Pratama, and my student ID is 25106112007. So, an advocate is a professional who supports and argues for the cause or interest of another person or group, often by representing them in court or providing legal advice, while the term is generally synonymous with lawyer. Atau in Indonesia, we call it as pengacara, attorney, or counsel in the United States. It has a more specific technical meaning in other legal systems, where it can refer to a particular type of lawyer who specialize in pleading cases in court. And also, advocates have duty. They must assist the court in the administration of justice by honestly and fairly presenting cases while respecting court orders and maintaining candor. They have a duty to maintain confidentially of client information and avoid any conflicts of interest. Advocates are also responsible for providing competent and diligent representation, keeping clients informed and obtaining their informed consent before taking legal actions. Additionally, they must uphold the principles of justice, truth, morality, and the advocate's code of ethics. And then they have a specific duties like duties toward the court. They must act with dignity and respect, assist the court in justice administration, be candid and not mislead the court, abide by court orders even if disagreeing, avoid private communication outside court protocol. And also, they have duties toward the clients. They must represent clients competently and diligently, maintain client confidentially unless legally required to disclose, avoid conflicts of interest, disclose any potential conflicts, keep clients informed about case progress, and obtain informed consent, and defend clients' interests and provide legal service advice and drafting. And they must uphold justice, truth, human right, and morality, follow the advocate code of ethic, and uphold independence and dignity, and also to provide legal aid to the disadvantaged. Uh, if they have a duty, so they have the responsibilities too. They they have to represent client in court to the best of their ability, ensuring their interests priori- are prioritized and defended diligently. And then they must provide legal advice, consultation, and support to clients, including legal information and guidance. They must draft legal documents such as contract, legal notice, and pleadings and motion for court proceeding. And they must conduct thorough research on relevant laws, present and facts to build strong cases and provide effective representation. Uh, Now we talk about the salary. In Indonesia, the salary of an advocate or legal profession varies widely depending on the level of experience and the role. According to the Salary Guide Indonesia of 2025, the legal position is about 30 to 150 million per month. Entry-level roles like permit and license lead earn around 30 million monthly, while mid-level managers such as legal and compliance manager earn 40 million, and the senior position earn like 55 million. While in international advocates, in according to the Indonesia Salary Guide 2025, in the middle associate, they have to around at least 70 million per month. And then for the senior associate, they get around 110 million, and for the higher level of position, they get around 140 million and 150 million per month. These figures reflect the premium based on international legal expertise and the competitive nature such as position in Indonesia's evolving legal market. And then now we talk about the required skill or the qualification of being an advocate. To become an advocate in Indonesia, firstly, we must have the Bachelor of Laws or Sarjana Hukum degree from a recognized university. And after the graduation, aspiring advocates must attend a special education for advocates. And in Indonesia, we call it PKPA and pass the National Advocate Profession Examination, and both organized by the Indonesian Advocates Association, or we call it PADI. And also, they must complete a mandatory 2-year internship at a law firm under the supervision of a senior advocate to gain practical experience. And now the work environment for advocates is in Indonesia is varied and active. They usually work in law firm, corporate legal teams, or on their own. Advocates often join training workshop and mentorship to stay updated on legal knowledge. And for the career prospect of for advocates in Indonesia, it's very promising and diverse, driven by country's growing economy expanding legal needs in various sectors. Advocates have opportunity to work in private law firms, corporate legal department, government agencies, and international organizations. And also, being advocate in Indonesia have advantage and challenge. For the advantage, they play an important role in helping people get justice and protecting the rights of those who may not be able to defend themselves. But they also have challenges such as dealing with corruption, complicated legal procedures, and sometimes political pressure. They also need to work hard to keep up with changing laws and maintaining trust while serving their clients well. So, for all the conclusion that we has is advocates in Indonesia play a vital role in the legal system by representing clients, upholding justice, and safeguarding right with professionalism and integrity. They must meet specific educational and ethical requirement, possess strong legal and communication skill, and navigate a dynamic and sometimes challenging work environment. Career prospects are very promising with opportunities in various legal sectors. And also, they have the competitive salaries for the international position. Despite challenges such as corruption and complex regulation, advocates remain essential pillar of justice, contributing significantly to the development and fairness of Indonesia's legal framework. Their dedication to ethical practice, client service, and continuous learning ensures a respected and influential career in law. So that's all about advocate in Indonesia. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum